Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can transfer money from Elevate Pay to Bangladesh at a good rate. So let's get started. In today's guide, we're going to walk through how you can send money from your Elevate Pay account to Bangladesh easily. Elevate Pay works similarly to other payment platforms, but one of its advantages is that it has very low fees and even provides you with a free US bank account and card. Before sending money, make sure your Elevate Pay account is fully set up and ready to use. Once that's done, open your Elevate Pay dashboard and look for the Send Money option. Now, if you haven't added a recipient yet, you'll need to do that first. Tap on the plus icon to add a new receiver. From here, select Bangladesh as the destination country. Next, you'll see different transfer options. You can choose mobile wallets like Bcash or a direct bank transfer. For example, if you select Bcash, enter the mobile number carefully and make sure the account is registered in your name. Then fill in your first name, last name, and select your relationship, such as self, and continue. If you prefer a bank transfer, choose your bank, for example, Citibank. Then enter your account number. In some cases, you may also need a routing number. You can find this by searching online or contacting your bank's support. After entering all the details, review the transfer. Elevate Pay usually charges a small fee, around $1.5 per transaction. Confirm the amount, select the reason for sending, like family support, and proceed. Finally, you'll receive a verification code on your email. Enter that code to complete the transaction, and your transfer will be successful. That's it. This method is especially useful for freelancers who want to receive and send payments internationally with ease. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.